Hello friends, my name is Ankul Yadav and today I am going to discuss a very interesting chapter that is rational number. It is rational number. Rational number परिमेय संख्या. So what is rational number? Any number which can be written in P upon Q form where Q is not is equal to 0 is called a rational number. Okay, so any number which can be written in the P upon Q form and where the Q is not is equal to 0 is called a rational number. So rational number are the two types, mainly are the two types are these are the हिंदी में अगर हम इसको कहना चाहें तो these are the शांत संख्याएं इस तरीके से पढ़ते हैं, तो ठीक है ना. तो now this is the two types of numbers. This is first one is terminating numbers, and second is non terminating recurring number. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वन इज terminating and second is non terminating recurring number. So now take some examples to understand what is terminating and what is non terminating recurring number. Here are the four columns. First is rational number, second is decimal value of each rational number, and third is the form of each rational number, and last is factor. So now take some example of rational numbers. And then first is 5 upon 2, and second is 2 upon 5, and third is 3 upon 9, and fourth is 43 upon 75, and last is and here the last is 47 upon 60. So these are the rational number. These are the P upon Q form. You can see that. And now take each of the decimal values. Here we see that the each of decimal value is 2.5, and this is 0.4, and this is, if we divide, is here, and this is 0.3333 is the repeated number here, and 43 upon 75, if we divide, it is 0.57, and here is also a 3 is the repeated number, and here this is 0.7, and 333 is also repeated number. So now you can also divide by calculator or anything. So now here we learn what is the form. Form is means if it is terminating, we denote T. If it is non-terminating recurring number, so we denote N, T and R. So NTR is non-terminating recurring number there. So here we see that this is 2.5. If we divide, it becomes 2.5. Not is 5 is not going on. So that's why its numbers becomes, it is a terminating number. Here we can see that the 0.5, and this is complete, that's why this is terminating. And here is 0.4, this is also terminating because the fourth is not repeated. Here is the 0.333 is the repeated number, that's why it is NTR, non-terminating recurring number. So fourth is 0.573333 is also repeated number, that's why it is also NT and R. Now let's the last thing, it is 0.78333 is also repeated number, that's why this is NTR. And if any number which is repeated, if we divide in a decimal form, if it's repeated, that is NTR. So it becomes a long time to divide, and it's taking too much time. So now we find the trick of these to how to calculate. This is the faster way. So now we take the denominator. The denominator is 2, the factor is 2. Here is the 5, and the factor is 5, and here is a factor of 9 is 3 square. So now we take the 75's in a factor form. This factor is 3 into 5 square, and last is the factor of 60 is here t square and 3 multiply by 5. So these are the factors of each of them denominator. So now we understand, so we can see here that the denominator is 2, that's why this is terminating, and here is the denominator is 5, that's why this is terminating, and here we can see that there is no number which is 2 or 5, that's why this is NTR. And here we also see that the number is 5 is here, but it has also a number that is 3, that's why this is NTR. Now you can see here these are the each of them 2 and 5 are both are here, but the 3 is also here, that's why this is NTR. So that's the trick of these to solve in a quick way. So if any number which is q is the p upon q, q is the denominator, any number which can be written in the 2 power m into 5 power n, where the m and n are prime factors, prime number. Okay, so m and n are the prime numbers. If any numbers which is 2 or 5 or both are present here, so this is terminating. If q is like that, k to the power m into 5 power m, so k is the other number except 2 and 5, but the q2 is also there. Here we can see that there is the 2 and 5 is also here, but another number is 3 is here, that's why this is k into 2 to the power m into 5 power n. And where is the 2 or 5 or any other number is here is the k, that's why k is 1 3 7 9 and it's going on. So if number are except 2 and 5, this is non-terminating recurring number. So this is NT and R, and this is T. So this is NTR and this is T. And if now we understand that any number which is 2 or 5, there is 2 or 5 or both are present there, this is terminating. If any number except 2 and 5 are present, that is NTR, non-terminating recurring number. Now let's some more examples are there. Some examples are 70 upon 20. So 20's factor is 2 into 2 into 5. This is the 2 and 5 are here, that's why this is terminating. Now let's 30 is the denominator. Now we understand that the 3 are here, that's why this is NTR.